everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to head out to the thrift stores to see if they have any like really affordable Christmas decor that I can add to the house, or really unique like Christmas gift things. Like, I don't know, the thrift store always has like magical things or the worst things, so it's always an adventure. I'm gonna hit up a few thrift stores in the area and we'll see what we can find. So the first place that I stopped at was the Goodwill. This is like my go-to thrift store. I had to voice over for all of this because they're playing some pretty loud music in here. So couldn't have that, but they had an entire Christmas section and this perfect little Christmas tree for $29. Like $29 is kind of like what you could find at the store, so I kind of passed on that. But really cool to see that they have all of this Christmas decor. Like, you could just go wild in here. Wow, so one of the first things I found were these two horns that were for sale for $2.99, and I think they're stunning. I just couldn't come up with any kind of idea that I needed them for, but I think they're really pretty. Maybe if you even switch the little rope on there, you could hang them from a wall. So beautiful. They also had so many ornaments here, and this whole pack is brand new for $2.99. They also had stars for your Christmas tree. So much stuff. Ooh, also this really cute soap dispenser. Love this, super simple. Love that it looks wintry, and it's $2.99. Also, one of my favorite things to get at the thrift store are mugs. Like, this mug is $1.99, and there's so many mugs around the entire store. They had this one here, which was not my favorite mug. And I found these two mugs down here that matched. They say I love cocoa, and they were $1.99 each. So I have such a brilliant idea for that. I love finding brand new things at the thrift store. It's so exciting. I found this cute little cupcake decorating kit that you could really use for any type of baking, but I am definitely picking up this for my holiday baking this year. Okay, and these little tin snowmen, they also look brand new. Everything in the little holiday section looks amazing, and these are so cute, you know, to like store your cookies, your baking, just baking all around. I think they're so festive. I also saw these really cute raw wood maple leaves, which I thought was so Canadian, so cute, would match my decor. And then right behind it is this giant red K. Like, how perfect is this for $2.99? I'm not gonna get it because I really don't know where I'd put that, but I think it's super cute. And what are the chances? You always have to have a little bit of imagination when you're at the thrift store. Paint goes a really long way, so I love this blue lantern, but if you painted it black, it would look amazing. I also love going to the Goodwill to find things to decorate shelves, built-ins, that kind of thing. Everything is obviously so affordable, but it's very unique, and you could paint pretty much everything in here. So if you find something with the right shape that looks really pretty, like this is so beautiful, you could paint it to be the color that you want. I don't even know what that thing is, but it's really beautiful, and it's only $3.99. I really started to notice how many dishes and glasses that there were at the Goodwill. You could just, you know, fill your entire kitchen with all of this beautiful, affordable stuff. They also have, again, a huge array of mugs, and I always think really special, unique mugs could make a really cool gift because you can kind of like stuff a mug with little things like treats and socks and a little card or something, and they have really festive ones, you know? People give away the best mugs, and they're all $1.99 pretty much. So yeah, I'm just looking around at all of this stuff that you could fill your kitchen with, and it's amazing. Like, there's so much selection, and look at this.
Like $2.99 for a friend's mug? Yes, where else would you find this? Okay, I think I hit the jackpot here. I found a brand new ice bucket with a scoop and a lid, and it looks nice and brand new for $7.99, so definitely picking that up. I'm also seeing, like, look at all this amazing stuff for entertaining. I feel like I'm finding the best hosting things. This is great for food on your counter to keep it warm, and it's $9.99 and it literally looks like a beautiful antique. Like, this is stunning. Usually the basket section of the thrift store is my favorite because so many people give away baskets and I just think they're so great for organizing and decorating. I also found this old magazine rack that I swear I used to have growing up. It was missing a leg, so it was kind of broken. I wasn't going to fix that. But look at all the unique little things in here. They also have like a really cool picnic basket. So definitely don't miss out on the basket sections at the thrift store. I feel like that is like when you hit the jackpot. Also, look at this cool like basket thing. I don't know what this is, but I think it'd be so cool for like storing toilet paper and maybe even hanging it on a wall as a shelf. I love looking at the furniture section of the thrift store. That's like my favorite spot. I don't know why the prices over here are really high. I don't know if this is like something really unique and special, but if you like switch the knobs on these things, paint them, they could look so beautiful, and I feel like people just skip right by them sometimes. I did not think I was going to find all these different cups and dishes at the thrift store today, but I was finding such great things that I thought would be amazing for hosting a holiday party. Like, look at this platter. I love these. I feel like they just remind me of my mom. She has her little like cheese trays when people come over, and I feel like it's what you need when you're a host. They also have so many trays, really everything that you need to throw a party. So I really got inspired and started collecting all these different like holiday hostess must-haves. Like these caught my eye immediately because I feel like the straws look like candy canes, and these would be amazing at a holiday party. It's a brand new box for $7.99. It has 6 cups, you know, lids, straws, it's perfect. So I was finding so many cool things that would really help when you're like hosting a party or hosting friends over at your house. Then I stopped by a second thrift store and I found this beautiful sewing table. I didn't get it. I think someone else already bought it and it was on hold, but look how beautiful this thing is. If I had extra room in the house, I would paint that a fun color, call it decor. They also had some really pretty little trinkets again, like such great stuff to style your shelves with. Of course, more mugs. Like, look where my eye is always drawn. Oh, look, more mugs. These remind me of my mom. We have these at Christmas every year on our fireplace, I think. I just found so much Christmas decor. They also had this entire pack of like light up homes to make a whole village. Like, they had everything. So if you guys need Christmas decor, like definitely check out your local thrift store. I found these little like vintage colorful lights for $5. 200 lights for $5. That's such a great price. If I had a place to put that, I would definitely buy it. Also, love baking, and I found so many really cool baking trays to make some really cool cakes. So this is like this 3D tree cake. I've never seen anything like it. They also had a little gingerbread one that's silicone. So many fun finds at the thrift store. So I'm back from the thrift store and I actually have a lot to share with you. I had a very successful thrifting day, which is so exciting. You know, some days aren't like that. So today I actually found all this stuff that I needed, wanted, and I thought were really cute. So the common theme here is stuff that you could use to host a holiday party. Like, I don't really have a lot of like
hosting things, and I think these things are really, really great for throwing a Christmas party, a holiday party. I realized when I was at the thrift store, you know, sometimes you have parties and you need extra cups and plates and mugs and, you know, things to serve people. And why go out to a store and spend so much money on that to host one party? If you go to the thrift store, they have really unique things, really stylish stuff, and you can get it at such a better price than anywhere else. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's super exciting. I love everything, and I can't wait to have a holiday party now. First item, super, super festive. It is this Santa Claus bucket. And I am so excited about this. I got it for $3.99, and it actually has its original label on the back. And it says that it used to be $15. So I definitely got a deal on this. And you might be wondering, why do you need this Santa Claus bucket, Kristen? And I think this would be absolutely perfect for throwing a Christmas party and putting champagne bottles in it, wine bottles. You could literally put anything in here and it just looks festive and organized. So when people come over, I can have all the bottles in here, throw some ice in there so everything's chilled. And I feel like that's the best way to use a bucket. So I'm really excited about this. Love that it looks like Santa Claus. I don't have a lot of red decor in here, but for a Christmas party, you gotta like amp it up a bit and throw in some red. So whoever gave it away, thank you so much. All right, the next thing is pretty similar, less festive. Another bucket. Like, I've never bought so many buckets in my life. This is only 2 buckets, but still. But I thought this would be so great for ice. Like, you just fill the whole bucket with ice. It comes with a lid and a scoop. Like, that's what really got me here, was this scoop that's attached. Has a little hook. Like, this could not be more perfect, and this looks brand new. I feel like no one even used this, so that's even better. I found this for $7.99, and I just love the way it looks. I feel like I could just keep this out on my counter all the time, and it would just look good. And yeah, I just feel like if you're entertaining and having people over, making drinks, that kind of thing, having an ice bucket is a lot easier so that people aren't going through your freezer, all that kind of stuff, looking for ice. Ooh, these next things I got, oh my gosh, love these. Look how cute these mugs are. It says, I love cocoa. And after I left the thrift store, I went to Target and they sell them there. Like, what? And I got them for $1.99 each. These really sparked an idea for me to create a hot chocolate station on my countertop. So I think that's great for holiday parties. People can kind of like self-serve at them, and having cute little mugs in the little station just make it that much more festive. So these will be the first addition to the hot cocoa stand. Then I was gonna put the hot chocolate in a thrifted jar because they have so many jars at the thrift store. I found this one, and I don't know if I'm like going crazy, but I kind of feel like it has a yellow tint to it. And I didn't realize that when I was in the store. It's just a smooth jar. It's not like the traditional kind. So I thought this would be really cute to put all of the hot chocolate in. And then I picked up a smaller jar, which is really cute as well. It's like a typical mason jar. I thought this would be perfect for tiny marshmallows. So I'm just gonna have all this stuff kind of layered together on a tray. And I think it's gonna look so cute, and the whole thing will be thrifted and just be so unique. So I love that part about it. Do I have anything else for the hot cocoa stand? Yes. And then I got 2 of these really cute red cups. I think these are so Christmassy. You can either use them, you know, at the hot cocoa stand to offer a different size of cup, or I thought these would be really fun as punch cups. I feel like all this stuff together just looks so cute and perfect for a holiday party, especially this little hot chocolate station. All that together looks so cute, really unique, thrifted, and special. Ooh, I also found this in the holiday section. This is super fun, a little cupcake kit. It just came with little gingerbread men and present toothpicks that you can kind of stick in your cupcakes, and these nice little muffin cups. So I thought that was really festive. You know, I'm gonna be baking around the holidays. Might as well decorate them and make them look even more exciting. I got this whole little kit for $2.99, but I think these are so cute, and they would just add so much visual interest to a dessert table. Oh, I also found this really cute soap dispenser for $2.99, and I think it's so perfect. It matches the house, and it's just simple. White with little silver trees on it. I want to put some pine scented hand soap in here so that, you know, the pine scented soap comes out of like a dispenser that has trees on it. I feel like that kind of ties that all in. I didn't expect to find this there, but I actually really, really like it, and it matches the house perfectly. You have to see this next thing I got. I think it's so perfect for summer and winter. You guys will see why. It's like the cutest little mason jar cup straw system. It comes with 6 mason jar cups, and look how cute they are. They're so perfect. It says country style quality. I feel like they just look really nice. They have these nice little silver lids on top with a hole because they provide these straws, and these are reusable straws, so that is really good as well. And they look like candy canes. Like to have people over at your house and you have a nice cup for them, a little straw, and it has a lid. No one will be spilling things at your house. This was seriously the perfect find. So this is great for holiday parties, even for like iced coffee or punch, or you know, when you make someone a little cocktail and you serve it in here. I feel like that looks so cute, and it's such a like festive way of doing things. And I found this whole pack for $7.99, and I'm pretty sure it's all brand new. Like none of this looks like it's been touched. This was sealed, so this all must be brand new, which is amazing. See, now that I see how much the thrift store has at the holiday season, I'm gonna be using it so much more often. I feel like it makes it look so festive in here, and I think it really adds like value to hosting and like having people over when you're prepared and have all the right things that you need. So very happy with everything I found. I'm gonna keep all this stuff for years to come because it's all super useful. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed coming thrifting with me today. That was so successful, so much fun, and I feel like it always really sparks like a sense of creativity in me to like think outside the box and come up with new purposes for things and just be frugal, really. So I hope this gave you guys some ideas on how you guys can use your thrift store items to create all new things. Let me know down below if you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Click the red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned on so you never miss an upcoming video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!